Then let's use the text split. I have this example here. For my name and last name, I'm just using the space to split into two parts. And then I have the spill effect. What is the spill effect? Is the behavior of the dynamic arrays. All right. So one single formula producing two or more results. If I apply the same here on this simple data set, I can reproduce all the built-in information here. I just need to do text split. This field here, the original, but I'm using the type. I have something wrong here because probably I have information there. Then I'm going to copy and paste the symbol because it's something different, right? Oh, of course, important information. Dynamic arrays are not compatible with tables. This is not simply a colored range. It is a table, a real table. Then let's try using the text split outside of the table. All right. And I have three different results, and I could try something like bringing down here until the end. All right. There are some things that we feel, hey, I wanted to try something here, like let's try getting several keys. What is going to happen if I try this? I have only the first results. There is something here inside that involves a conversation about arrays inside arrays, and the things would be more complex. But it's possible something like this if we add some different elements. But the concept here is the text split is a powerful function that can bring more power up your job. All